Kia ora tātou, which means hello everybody and good health to you all. My name is Moira Te Bramley and I have been a trustee director on Onuku Māori Lands Trust for the last 40 years. I hold the position of whaia o te poari, which is the position of a matriarch. This title gives me ongoing connection to our lands. I was born on the 10th of June 1935. On the 10th of June 1886, our sacred mountain TeArawa erupted. I would like to acknowledge the strong relationship we have with Flora Health. The profits that we make from the Flora honey sales has a huge impact on the well-being of our people. The profits go to our young people as education grants. We have grants to our old people that are aged over 65, and we also pay a dividend to our owners each year. So thank you, Thomas, for being such a great business partner, and we look forward to continuing this relationship for many years to come. Ngā mihi nui kia koutou katoa, which means best wishes to you and all your team.
Kia ora rā tātou. Tēnei te mihi kia koutou mai te tī o tōku maunga o rua wāhia heke iho ki te pūtake. Ki ngā whenua take o ngā tirangiti o te reo Onuku tērā. Tai atu ki ngā roto o roto mahana, ngā roto o tarawera, me era momo o waiora ki a tātou. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou. And I extend to you the warmest greetings from the lofty peaks of our maunga, down to the base, down to the whenua take, the tribal lands of ngā tirangiti of Onuku. Nō reira, tēnei te mihi atu ki a koutou. He kōrero anō, he maunga ora, he tangata ora. We have a saying, a healthy mountain is healthy people. Ko te whenua o ngā tirangiti, the life being the essence and the wellness of our people derives from the lofty heights of the maunga down to the waterways that flow into our lakes. From there we draw our sustenance, our strength and our spirituality. Our lands provide the essence, the being and the wellness for our people. From that, I'd like to acknowledge tēnei te mihi atu kia Flora, ki te hononga o Flora, kia tātou o Onuku Māori Lands Trust, kia tātou a ngā tirangiti. I want to acknowledge the relationship that we have with Flora, that Flora has with us, with Onuku Honey, that Flora has forged with the iwi of ngā tirangiti. Mai te oranga o mātou mere, te oranga o tātou te iwi. The fruits and the wellness from the honey that flows and derives, so too builds the wellness of my people. E te pāpai te rangatira Thomas, tēnei te mihi atu ki a koe, pai ki te tūtaki anō, hoki mai ki a tātou. I acknowledge and I want to acknowledge you, Thomas, our great friend from far away. It's time for you to return to our lands. Hoki kau ana mai, hoki mai ke konei, come back to us, visit us again. Ka noho tahi, ka kōrero tahi, ka kata tahi. So that we may sit together, so that we may enjoy and feast, so that we may drink, so that we may tell each other stories. Nō reire te pāpā te rangatira. Hoki mai, come back to our lands. We wait for you.